welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to a little announcement. So what we've got is, sorry.
You're giggling a lot.
Sorry, I'm not concentrating.
That's right, I can crop it, don't you worry.
No, we need to flow naturally.
He's never having hot chocolate again before a video.
It's the sugar and hot chocolate. I just get a bit excitable. That's all it is.
Pissing like a puppy.
On a flake.
So,
Once a flake.
welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to a little announcement. We are going to be doing a YouTube live event on December the 2nd, Thursday, December the 2nd at 6 p.m. GMT.
Baby.
GMT. So we have to remember this GMT. So basically, if you join us then, what I'm going to be doing is stripping this bike and showing you how to change a set of plugs. Simple as that. So I'll show you how to go and do that while we're chatting. And what we can do is there'll be people, you can send questions. We'll be able to pick up those questions and give you some answers live. So you can watch us changing some basically, it's just like you sitting in the workshop next to us while we're changing some spark plugs. I think that sounds about fair.
Sounds about right, yeah. So if you've got some questions that not going to take us 3 hours to reply to, that would really be appreciated.
Otherwise it will go on forever.
We've got a fleece and a t-shirt that we're going to go give away on the night time as well. I'm going to leave this broadcast because I'm going to answer the phone. See you then.
So if you want to join us, if you would, that'd be pretty cool. That is December the AP Workshops. Stop speaking. So basically, it's true. He's just. Those of you who've wrong know what I'm talking about. December the 2nd, 6. That's 1800 hours GMT. We'd love to see you. Take care.